How you guys doing?
Just holding each other.
He said, what I'm doing wrong?
Yeah, you're okay, you're fine. Marcus here.
I think you have to empty the...
I think we can't drink it and dry it. I got to check that. Itchy? Here? 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 Alright. Everything maybe.
And the bracelet?
You guy for intelligence, and my wife for her strength and her healing and health with us, and our family and friends also for their health and wellness. Thank you for using them. Not that popular, they probably had a few storylines. Marvel was like, we would not live to see everyone when we wouldn't live to see everyone under their studio, but there were so many X-Men. They're gonna bring the X-Men into Marvel, the MCU, but it's crazy because it's like you have so many X-Men movies, but they were not involved in the MCU because they were a part of different studio. Still Marvel.